Cohen's Life Sciences. But you know what? We are hearing from sources that the government may propose banking governance bill in the budget. Shimi is here with more details. Shimi, what are you hearing?
Yeah, so, this year union budget, on February 1st is expected to put public sector banks formally back in focus, with government set to unveil a governance bill aiming to reshape how PSU bank actually run. And the message from policymaker and the top sources in the government is very clear that the cleanup phase is largely behind us and it's time to kind of think about future. And that is why this budget is going to kind of propose this bill, and it's not about just incremental tweaking, but it will be more from a long-term perspective towards what Indian banking should look like by 2047 when the country marks the 100th year of independence. Now, the ambition is to make, of course, PSU Bank more professional, competitive, and technology-driven so that they can operate on par with, private sector. And in fact, the PSU Bank, as we know, that have long been criticized for slow decision-making, excessive layer of approval, and board that often lack independence or sector-specific expertise. So the new framework, the new bill is expected to address all those concerns with a sharper focus on board composition, clearer accountability, and a better separation between the role of director and the day-to-day management. In fact, what we are also, getting sense from our sources that the timing of the reform is pretty much significant, as PSU Bank currently in a much healthier position, and that has kind of created room for governance reforms at this point. And alongside the governance push, the budget may also flag and in fact have a mention a possible increase in the foreign direct investment limit in PSU Bank from the current 20%. But we need to keep this in mind that still in the consideration phase, nothing has finalized. There has been some reports around hiking the FDI limits to 49%, but nothing has been finalized as yet.
Right.
So the governance bill is going to be announced in the budget on February 1st is what we are.
Sure. Thank you so much, Shimi, for getting us those details. We'll keep you updated with everything that we're hearing, and Shimi keeps tracking all of these news, and we'll keep you updated as and when these news come to us, whether the government bill with regards to banking is going to come or not, and of course details with regards to this bill. But moving on, it's time for a rapid fire round.